This how to 1 minute will show you how to embed PDF, spreadsheet and other documents files in your WordPress website. First of all, we will install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new. And here search for GDE, and this is the plugin you have to install and activate. Once it's activated, hover over on settings and click on GDE settings. And here don't change anything. Now go to the media section and click on add new and click on select files to upload your PDF file, spreadsheet or any other file. Once it's uploaded, select the file and you have to copy this file URL from here. Now I want to embed the PDF to this post. So right now I'm in my post editor, and here you have to add this short code. So click on add block and select custom HTML and paste this code here and copy your file link and replace with this. Click on update. Now I'm going to viewing my post. And as you can see, my file has been successfully embedded. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.